Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to create a group chat on WhatsApp. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to create a group chat on WhatsApp, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your WhatsApp. Once you're on WhatsApp, next, I want you to tap the three dots on the top right corner. After that, you will then be able to see the new group option right here. Just go and tap it. And then right here, you will just need to select all the people that you want to add in your group chat. Just tap their profile to select. And once you're done selecting the group members, you can now tap this. And then right here, you can now set the name that you want for your group chat. Just enter the group name right here. And once you're done entering the name of your group, finally, for the last step, you can now tap the check button to completely create your group chat. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your group chat. Now that you have your group chat, you can now communicate and plan things together with your friends. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.